This is my PhD in chemistry, and this is a general chemistry practice test on measurements in matter. It'll include classifications of matter, conversions between units, SI units, dimensional analysis, units of measurement, and properties of matter, and consists of 30 different multiple choice questions with explanations for each. At the end of the video, I'll show you how you can get the full application. Hello and welcome to the Unit 1 General Chemistry Practice Test on Measurements in Matter. If you're wondering why this looks like a 3-year-old coded it, it's because I used ChatGPT to help out with it. It is resizable. I used the Spider application to create this, and I'll include the Python file in the download if you want. Brings up the same thing. Okay, question 1. What is the equivalent temperature in Celsius when converting from 350K? Each of these is a multiple choice question, and once you submit it, whether you get it right or wrong, it'll give you an explanation of what one is right. So let's just say we think that it's A, even though we know for sure that it's not, because when you convert Celsius to Kelvin, it's degrees Celsius equals Kelvin minus 273.15. So it's either going to be C or D. But anyways, let's just push A to see what we have. You submit. The correct answer was indeed C. Would you like to see the explanation? We want to click yes. To convert from Kelvin to Celsius, you use the formula degrees C equals K minus 273.15. Substituting 350 Kelvin into the formula, we have 350 minus 273.15 equals 76.85. Thus, the equivalent temperature is 76.85 degrees Celsius, which is C. Question 2. The peregrine falcon holds a record for the fastest animal in the sky. When diving for prey, it can reach speeds of over 386 kilometers per hour. What is this speed in meters per second? Okay, for this one is another dimensional analysis, conversion between factors. And to convert, we need to know the conversion factor of kilometers per hour to meters per second. There's 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer and 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. So we use the factor 1,000 for the meters divided by 3,600. And that will bring us 1 kilometer per hour equals 0.27 repeating meters per second. We want to multiply that by the 386 because that will change these units to meters per second. We got 107.22. So A. Submit. You'd like to see the explanation? Sure, we can go over the explanation. To convert the speed from kilometers per hour to meters per second, use the conversion factor 1 kilometer per hour equals 1,000 meters divided by 3,600 seconds equals 0.278 meters per second. Now convert the 386 kilometers to meters per second, which is what we did, multiply it out, and we get 107.22. Question 3. Which of the following statements correctly describes the difference between a chemical change and physical change? Okay, so this one, the chemical change changes the chemical structure of the substance, and the physical change does not. So let's go through some of them. Chemical change only changes the state of a substance. Nope, it's kind of opposite. Chemical change can be easily reversed. No. Chemical change involves the formation of a new substance with different properties, alters the appearance, but not the composition. A chemical change only occurs when a substance melts or freezes. Nope, that is describing a physical change. Correctly. Yep. We can see and gives a brief overview of the explanation. To see the video of the full test, you can join the members program for just 99 cents a month. I'll continue to upload different practice tests of not only general chemistry, but organic chemistry, biochemistry, analytical chemistry, medicinal chemistry, inorganic chemistry, modern physical organic chemistry, about once a week or so, to cover all the different units and all the different topics. And you can get the full videos for those for just 99 cents a month. Conversely, if you want to practice for yourself, I've uploaded these applications as well as the Python file and the Excel file. if you want to run them yourselves. And you can get that in the link in the description or going to my website, nocollegeneeded.org, and then store, and then chemistry practice tests. Following the link in the description, you can get this. It's for 99 cents right now. It has 30 questions. All with explanations. You can also get it by just going straight to nocollegeneeded.org, going to store, chemistry practice tests. This one is Unit 1. And again, I'll include all of the files here if you want to do it yourself.